Hello everybody and welcome to the FloorCast.
What are we talking about today?
Well, today we're here in the new studio and we're going to be talking about which pet-friendly floors are right for you. If you've got pets, then you know the difficulties of keeping your floors clean.
But the right flooring can mitigate these problems.
So if you're an animal lover,
like us,
then you can find a beautiful floor to match. Hard surface is a great option for a pet-friendly home.
However, some hard surface options are better than others.
Generally, with an active home, you'd want to laminate with an AC rating of 4 or higher.
Or a luxury vinyl with a wear layer of 20 mil or above.
And you'll probably want to look out for waterproof designs as well.
That being said, we have a couple styles that we always recommend.
In terms of pet-friendly laminate, you can't do much better than Revwood.
Their planks are durable and waterproof.
And can hold up against whatever life throws at it.
Revwood offers pet stain protection, shielding from spills and accidents.
Revwood also features superior waterproof performance.
So while many laminates can warp or swell due to excess water,
Revwood that is installed correctly stands strong against moisture, whether you spilled your drink
or your cat decided not to use the litter box.
Revwood won't allow the moisture to penetrate the planks or seep through to the subfloor.
Next, we have Cortec Grande.
Bigger isn't always better, but in this case, it sure is.
Cortec Grande is one of our biggest, thickest planks.
And a great choice for pet-friendly homes.
It's waterproof and highly scratch resistant.
Plus, it has highly realistic and beautiful wood visuals.
But the best feature is their 30 mil wear layer.
When it comes to LVP, 20 mil is considered to be durable enough for commercial spaces with heavy foot traffic.
So with the 30 mil wear layer, your planks will absolutely hold up in your home.
It also offers a lifetime residential warranty.
And because it's luxury vinyl, it's incredibly easy to clean.
Plus, it's even GreenGuard Gold certified. GreenGuard Gold certified products are thoroughly tested and proven to have low levels of VOC emissions.
So you can breathe easy in your home.
You may think that carpet isn't designed to handle busy and active spaces.
And for many styles, this is absolutely true.
However, there are some styles designed with pets in mind.
Like Mohawk's Pet Premier.
Pet Premier is designed to stand up against accidental messes thanks to their all-pet stain protection.
So whether your dog knocks over your soda,
or if they have an accident,
your carpet won't stain.
And the same goes for dirt, mud, grass, or anything else your pets may track inside.
Your carpet shouldn't stain, allowing for easy cleanup.
And it has the added benefit of being environmentally friendly.
It's made from recycled plastic,
which provides a sustainable carpet choice for your space.
And it provides the perfect blend of comfort and durability underfoot. Pet Perfect Plus is the gold standard for pet-friendly carpet. Their R2X stain treatment strongly resists stains and hair.
So accidental messes or spills won't leave nasty stains.
But we haven't even mentioned the best part.
Lifeguard's blue backing prevents liquid from seeping through to the subfloor. So any moisture that drops onto the carpet just beads onto the surface for easy cleaning.
So if you're looking for pet-friendly carpet,
you really can't do much better than Pet Perfect Plus.
So regardless of whether you're looking for a hard surface or carpet,
there are options that will hold up in your space.
But where can our viewers find these floors?
For a great price at georgiacarpet.com.
Thank you to everyone for watching today's video.
We really hope you enjoyed it.
And if you did, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button.
And drop a comment down below, let us know what you thought, and until next time,
stay on trend with FloorCast.